Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about one of Nike brand's biggest silhouettes in 2018. The shoe sold out pretty much every time it came out in every colorway. They decided to put a couple pairs out in 2019 to give a couple people a chance who didn't get the shoe, give them an opportunity to get the shoe. We're talking about the Nike React Element 87. As you can see, I did a review on a pair I picked up from StockX. Did a review on there. I'm gonna put a card up above so you guys can check that video out if you haven't seen it already. But my homeboy, he was able to score a pair on the sneakers app and gave me the shoe and wanted me to do a review on it. But before we get into this review, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And as you can see, I'm always rocking some Penny for Your Thoughts merch. So I got the black with the 3M hoodie on right now. If you guys like this hoodie or any merch you see me wearing in any of these videos, you guys can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. I know y'all tired of me talking. So let's get to this shoe. Here you guys go. Nike Element 87. Fresh pair. Let's get straight into it, man. Y'all already know what it is. Black sole. Got the clear things here on the side. Lime green here. Lime green flying wire going around. Got the black Nike swoosh right here. Got the pink stitching going up. This color is a little, I think, aqua right here. Aqua suede. Leather. We got black suede coming up the sides. Aqua right here, pink outline in here. You got pink hair, black pull tag right here with the 3M on it. Got the aqua swoosh. Clean shoe, man, very clean, very lightweight, comfortable shoe. The shoe is very light, man, very light. I thought it would be a little heavier because, you know, it's a bigger size. It's actually, I think, a 10.5. The other pair I did is a size 9, but they're still very light, man. Like I said before, man, these right now going on StockX, man, for $200. If you want to get a pair of these, man, you need to go on StockX and pull the trigger, man. You will not be disappointed. These shoes are very comfortable and they will be very stylish to wear in the summertime. Like, it's nice out here today in New York. I was gonna throw my pair on today, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna chill. I ain't gonna even do that, man. But these is definitely fresh, man. I think in all colors, man. If you any color you get your hands on, man, just make sure it's a Nike Element 87. You can't go wrong, man. You cannot go wrong with this shoe, man. It's just very clean, very stylish. You're gonna get a lot of looks from a lot of people when you wear them because they come in a lot of different fly colorways, I think, man. If you wear them, people gonna be looking at like, what are those? Like, where do you get those from? Well, I've never seen that shoe before because, you know, like, pretty much every time they come out, they sell out. So a lot of people don't get a chance to actually see the shoe for itself, man. But it's a very clean shoe, man. Very clean all around look, man. Black swoosh here. You can see in the 3M, got the lime green stitching here, pink stitching here, fly wire all over, black stitching right here along the suede, pink here, black sole, man. You just can't go wrong, man. I have not seen a colorway in this shoe that I didn't like. I don't like the Nike React Element 55s at all, but I like these, man. These are clean and straight to the point, man. Even though they got a lot of colorways on this, man, it's a good vacation shoe. Go somewhere, you wear these on vacation, different country, you know, you're going to Miami, you want to be on Collins with these on, man. You want to be on, you know, South Beach, just out there chilling, man, with these on. This is a good shoe, man, especially at nighttime because, you know, you got the black sole and they got that pop to it. It got that Miami feel, that vacation feel. This shoe comes off to me, man, but you know I gotta rate them. And out of 5 pennies, man, I definitely gotta give this shoe, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. I just love the Nike React 87, man. No ifs, ands, buts about it. No cap. Straight fire shoe, man. Let me know if you don't like the shoe. If you don't like the shoe, man, leave the comments below. Maybe answer all comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel, man, because we're giving nothing but good content on this channel, man. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And if you guys want to see a shoe on this channel and I got access to it, even if it's an old shoe or something like that, my collection is pretty deep. All my friends' collections are pretty deep. If you want to see something, man, leave in the comments below and I'll try my best to get it in front of the camera and get it out to you guys, man. But with that being said, we're keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.